Hi guys and happy new year. Hope you had amazing December holidays. Welcome to a brand new vlog, our very first vlog for 2024. Guys, all the best for 2024. This is our turnaround year where izinto zethu zihlangana. So happiness, growth in all areas of our lives, and most importantly, money. I repeat, money, guys. For those of you guys that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Nomisa and I hope you are here to stay. Please subscribe. I'll wait. Thank you. And for my returning subbies, thank you so much for always being here. So today, guys, we are in Queensburg, Durban, and it is the 1st of January 2024. Okay, guys, see you in Ushaka Marine. Hey guys, so today we are in Ushaka Marine. It's the 1st of January 2024. I'm not sure what time it is, but yeah, I thought I should just let you guys know. Guys, my voice has been tickering. I didn't even open this vlog. So we are in Durban, guys. We arrived on the 30th. Yesterday was the 31st. We didn't do much because Ompile was so we didn't do much. And I hope today I guys will again because it's our last day. We're leaving tomorrow, the 2nd. Hey, guys, Mama, don't know. But yeah, guys, I'll see you when we get to Ushaka. I'm not even sure what we're gonna do in Namhlanje, but okay. So when I get there. Hey guys. Hi guys. Abo. Okay guys, so now we are going to the dolphin show. See you at the dolphin show.
Hi Pelelani. And on my right hand side I have Lindo. Hi Lindo. Now we've been sent up here to have a little bit of fun with all of you and to teach you all how to participate in the dolphin presentation today. Now it's pretty simple. We're going to teach you a dance that we like to call the Ushaka Shuffle. Now it is important to learn this dance, dolphins, and of course celebrate our oceans. But I'm also going to use this dance to find 5 very lucky people to come down and participate in our dolphin presentation today. Alright, so are we all ready to learn the dance?
Yeah!
But you're still sitting down. Come on everyone, let's stand up on our feet. Wow, what an incredible way to celebrate our oceans. Let's make some noise for these 6 beautiful
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought
thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's someone do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, chill. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes, chill. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh. Baby. Can you feel me, baby? Baby. Can you feel me, baby? Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill.
Aquarium. Isa? Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. Hey guys, so now we are in Pavilion, Epava. So those are games, but we lost. See you when we get there. Team Mumi, are you team Met? Please comment in the comment section down below. That's bonus score because Team Mumi we're taking it home.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Baecation.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you.
Hi, how are you? Hello?
Yes, hello.
Can I please get two double quarter pounders? Meals. Can you,
Double quarter pounder, medium, normal large.
medium, please.
It's a one I
Is it two?
Hey guys, so now we are at the beach, Ilovo Bridge. Kabale kumpi. Ntoni mimi? Nini? Iza? Akosabi umntanami. Uyabaleka. Masihambe songena emanzini? Masihambe. Subaleka. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon for future updates. See you in my next one. Bye.